In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Smartsheet subscription. If you're ready to stop your current plan, the good news is that the process is usually straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part of the cancellation flow so you can review your subscription carefully and make sure the request is completed properly. Start by logging into your Smartsheet account. Make sure you're signing in to the correct workspace, especially if you manage more than one account or if your organization uses separate admin access. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm that you have the necessary permissions to manage billing or subscription settings, since those options may only be visible to the account owner or an admin. After logging in, go to your account settings or admin settings. The exact label may vary slightly depending on your plan type or account role, but you're looking for the section where account level controls are managed. This is typically where Smartsheet keeps plan, billing, and subscription related options. From there, open the billing, plan, or subscription settings area. This is the section that shows the details of your current subscription and allows you to make changes. If you don't immediately see a cancellation option, don't worry. Some accounts place it under a Manage Plan or Billing Overview page, so just follow the available account management menus until you reach the subscription controls. Once you're in the right place, review your current subscription details carefully. Check the plan name, billing cycle, renewal timing, and any information related to account access after cancellation. This step is important because it helps you understand exactly what will happen once the subscription is changed or canceled. Next, choose the option to cancel, downgrade, or manage your plan, depending on how Smartsheet presents it in your account. If your goal is full cancellation, select the option that clearly indicates ending the subscription. Read any on-screen prompts closely, since platforms often provide important information about billing dates, retained access, or possible changes to features. When prompted, confirm the cancellation request. This final confirmation is what submits the change, so make sure everything looks correct before you proceed. If there is a summary page, review it one last time before approving the cancellation. After that, check your email for a confirmation message from Smartsheet. This email serves as proof that your request was received and processed. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder, and if needed, return to your account to verify that the subscription status has been updated. That's it. You've now learned how to cancel your Smartsheet subscription.